day by day it's getting cold and you need something hot to keep you warm. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make lemongrass tea, which is a very easy recipe. So I have some honey, water, and I have some lemongrass over here straight from my kitchen garden. And this is how the lemongrass leaves are looking like, and I've already washed the leaves. So I'm going to move over to my stove top where I'm going to place a pot, add water, and as the water is coming to a boil, I'm going to fold my leaves. So I'm going to fold 2 times, just like that, and then I'm going to wrap the rest of the leaves, and then I'm going to make a knot, just like that. I love making myself some delicious herbal tea, especially this lemongrass recipe. Once the water comes to a boil, I'm going to drop in my lemongrass leaves and boil for around 5 to 10 minutes. The tea has a lot of benefits to our body. It helps lower the cholesterol levels in our body, relieves bloating, and also boosts the red blood cells levels in our body, including so many other benefits. After several minutes, my lemongrass tea is ready, and it has a hue of green color because of the lemongrass leaves. I'm going to strain off the lemongrass tea into a jug, and next I'm going to pour myself some. My lemongrass tea is ready and the aroma is just flavorful, so I'm going to be adding in some honey to sweeten up my lemongrass tea. You can also have the tea as it is. So I love having my lemongrass tea in the morning when I wake up on an empty stomach. Trust me, if you have the tea in the morning, you'll have a very good day. So I hope you'll be trying out this lemongrass tea, and catch you on my next video.